Spiritual business mindset shifts you need to know to elevate your business and your life. Hi, I'm Binahtiyah from Aware Multimedia. I create digital marketing content for spiritual entrepreneurs. If that's you, then download the ebook in the description box below to make sure you're not making the 5 mistakes spiritual businesses make online. I'm thrilled to have you here with me today. If you're just starting out in the world of entrepreneurship and are looking to dive into digital marketing with a spiritual twist, you're in the right place. So grab your favorite coffee or tea and let's dive in. Your mindset is like the steering wheel of your entrepreneurial bus. It shapes your reality, or in other words, wherever your focus is, that's where you're going, or that's where you'll be. So adopting a growth mindset is crucial. Believe that you can develop your skills and intelligence through hard work, and you'll be right. Do the opposite, you'll also be right. So what experiences are you buying? Embrace challenges and view them as opportunities for growth. What doesn't kill you makes you stronger. That's where transformation begins. So what are the mindset shifts that you need to embrace? Shift your mindset from scarcity to abundance. Recognize your limiting beliefs and replace them with thoughts of abundance. Trust that there's more than enough for everyone. Identify your deeper purpose. Explore your values and align your business with causes you're passionate about. Your mission will become the driving force of your content. Expect setbacks and failures. Embrace them as stepping stones for growth. Be resilient and maintain a positive outlook. And stay adaptable in the ever-changing digital marketing realm. Change is inevitable in the digital marketing world. Change is inevitable no matter what. View it as an opportunity for growth and be open to new ideas, technologies, and market shifts. How can you start changing your mindset? It's a journey of self-awareness and growth. Consider these steps: self-awareness and introspection. Regularly check in with your thoughts, beliefs, and emotions. Journaling can be a powerful tool for reflection. I do that all the time. I do that every day, so I know that is very helpful. Incorporate mindfulness and meditation in your daily routine to stay present, reduce stress, and gain clarity. Define your business and personal development goals. Having a vision provides direction. Don't hesitate to seek guidance from those who have already been where you're trying to get to. A spiritual mentor or coach can provide valuable insights tailored to your unique journey. These mindset shifts are not just theoretical. They bring remarkable changes to your life. Your authenticity and purpose-driven content sets you apart, making it memorable and trustworthy. Authentic content connects you with your audience on a deeper level, leading you to higher engagement and client loyalty. Abundance mindset and purpose-driven content attracts more opportunities, more clients, and more revenue. Your content aligned with your values brings deep personal satisfaction. Your work becomes a true reflection of your inner self. With the right mindset shift, you'll develop resiliency and adaptability, which is vital in the ever-evolving digital marketing landscape. Your purpose-driven content has the power to make a positive impact not only on your clients, but on the world. Here are some tips to help you maintain an equilibrium as you balance your spiritual growth and your digital marketing responsibility. Incorporate daily spiritual practice like meditation, prayer, or mindfulness. Maintain a healthy work-life balance to recharge your energy. Consciously learn and grow by reading, attending seminars or webinars, and seeking opportunities to expand your knowledge. Build a supportive community of like-minded individuals who share your spiritual and business goals. Let's talk about money, baby. Let's talk about money, baby. Here are 7 mindset shifts for spiritual entrepreneurs. Shift from seeing money as evil to understanding it's a neutral tool. Overcome the fear of financial success. Yeah, that's a thing. Afraid of being successful. It's real. Embrace it as part of your journey. Leave behind scarcity thinking and believe in abundance. Invest in your personal and professional development with the resources you have. Use that wisely to drive your business growth without fear. See money as an energy exchange for the value you provide. Align your financial goals with your spiritual purpose. So there you have it. Embrace these mindset shifts, integrate spirituality into your digital marketing content, and watch as your business levels up. Your journey is a unique path filled with endless opportunities for growth, abundance, and fulfillment. Remember, it all starts with the right mindset and impactful content. So go out there and create a positive impact while achieving your entrepreneurial dreams. You've got this. Download your ebook in the description box below to make sure you're not making the 5 mistakes spiritual businesses make online. If you have any questions or you want to share your experience, feel free to comment below or reach out online. Be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Remember to hit the notification bell for upcoming videos. Click the link below to read the full blog article. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.